Welcome to the fascinating world of generative AI. Imagine a world where computers can create art, music, and even write stories. That's the power of generative AI, a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on generating new content. Think of it like this: traditional AI is like a detective, analyzing and classifying existing information. Generative AI, on the other hand, is more like a creative artist using its knowledge to generate something entirely new. Let's understand some of the capabilities of generative AI. Text generation. Have you ever used a website that suggests the next word you are going to type? That's an example of generative AI in action. The AI model has been trained on massive amount of text data, allowing it to predict the most likely word to come next based on the context. Image generation. Generative AI can also be used to create realistic images. Imagine you want to design a new product, but you don't have a physical prototype yet. You can use generative AI to create images of different designs, helping you visualize your ideas before they come to life. The techniques behind the magic. So, how does generative AI work? There are several techniques used, but two of the most common are generative adversarial networks. Think of it as a game of cat and mouse. One AI model, the generator, tries to create realistic images, while another model, the discriminator, tries to distinguish them from real ones. These competitions help the generator improve its skill over time. Next is variational autoencoders. These models learn a compressed representation of the data, like a summary of the key features. They can then use this compressed information to generate new data points that are similar to the original data. So, what's the future of generative AI? Generative AI is still a young field, but it has the potential to revolutionize various industries. From creating new materials to composing music, the possibilities are endless. As we move forward, it's important to use this technology responsibly and ethically. We need to be aware of potential biases and ensure that generative AI is used for good. Thank you. Let's move to our next session.